Hi kids, let's learn fruits names with colors. Let's start. Which fruit is coming first? Oh, it's mango. Yes, M-A-N-G-O, mango. And its color is yellow. What is coming next? Yay! It's apple. A-P-P-L-E. Apple. And what's its color? Its color is red. Yay! Apple. What is coming next? Oh, it's orange. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. What's its color? Its color is also orange. Yay! Now, which is next fruit? It's huge. It's watermelon. W-A-T-E-R-M-E-L-O-N. And its color is green. What is coming next? Oh, it's jumping banana. B-A-N-A-N-A. Banana. And its color is yellow. Yay! What is coming next? It's strawberry. S-T-R-A-W-B-E-R-R-Y. Strawberry. And its color is red. It's so delicious. Strawberry. Now, what is coming next? Yes, jumping grape. G-R-A-P-E-S. Grape. And what's its color? Its color is purple. Yay! Now, what's coming next? It's pineapple. P-I-N-E-A-P-P-L-E. Pineapple. And its color is yellowish brown. Yay! Now what is rolling next? Oh, it's apricot. A-P-R-I-C-O-T. Apricot. Color is yellowish orange. Okay, what is coming next? Yay, it's pomegranate. P-O-M-E-G-R-A-N-A-T-E. Pomegranate. And its color is red. Now, which fruit is coming next? Whoa! It's guava. G-U-A-V-A. Guava. And its color is green. So what's next? What's next? Oh, it's something rolling. Yay, it's melon. M-E-L-O-N. Melon. And its color is also green. What is this? It's peach. Yes, P-E-A-C-H. Peach. And its color is red. And now what is this? It's pear. Yes, P-E-A-R. Pear. And its color is green. What is this? It's cute little cherry. C-H-E-R-R-Y. Cherry. And its color is red.